Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by horinga.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for a Centurytex stock. It has been in the news for the recent price rise, so I'm planning to do the technical analysis of this chart and decide. Let's see whether this particular price rise is is consistent and and will help us to make a few bucks. During the long-term investment of the stock. For this, what you are seeing right now is the monthly chart of Centurytex, and along with your trend chart, you are seeing a few technical indicators also, which I am using here to do the technical analysis. One is RSI, MACD, momentum, super trend, Darvas. I am using etc. Other technical indicators also. If you see the chart, first before doing the technical analysis, we will do we'll go through the price history of Centurytex. What is the maximum, what is the peak price that it has achieved so far, and what is the lowest price that it hit. What is the bottom hit? What was its bottom hit? Okay. The peak price, see a lot of data here. 2002, 2017, October 25th. Today is October 25th here, and as I'm seeing, it hit in 2008. In 2008 January, it reached its peak. It reached its peak. Before 2017, I'm saying. Okay, and that time it was trading at 1281, and after that it hit its bottom, and that time it was trading at 12 rupees. It's very good. Actually, this was before 2008. That means in 2004, and even no, not even 2003, like that. Okay. So the recent lowest point that it hit, it was 401, which was in 2016, and after that, recently, or particularly this month, 2017 October, Centurytex has crossed its previous peak price 1281 and went up to 1366. Right now it is trading at 1366.5 paise, which is very good. That means it broke the range bound price movement, and it started going up, moving up, which is a very good sign. Actually, that's what we want. And most of the time, in all these years, in all these 17 years, Centurytex has been moving sideways. That you can clearly see here. No need to tell, because the stock was not going up or not making new highs or new lows or whatever until recently. Only this month, it made a new high, which is very good. And now we will see whether this price rise is consistent. Okay, is going to be consistent in the next coming few months or not. Okay, for that we first check the RSI. RSI, if you see, RSI has already hit the top line 80 line, and it is making a nice slope there on top of the 80 line. That means the price is going to increase, and it is going to stay there. It is going to be like that for the next coming few months, which is a very good sign. That means RSI is in sync with the price rise of Centurytex right now. And next we will check the MACD. MACD has crossed the baseline, and both the lines have crossed the baseline, and the signal line is on top of the red line, and the signal line and red line are both are maintaining a constant gap, and that gap signifies, as I already told you, signifies the price momentum, which is very good right now. And if you see the histogram bars, you are seeing, you can see many green bars nowadays. Particularly here, this particular thing, lot many green bars than red bars, which is a good sign for the when the price is increasing. It also shows that the MACD is in sync with the price rise here. Next, look at the momentum. Momentum bar is on top of the baseline, and the momentum. Look at the tip of the momentum, and it is looking towards the upward direction, which is a good sign again, and that indicates the price rise. This is also in sync with the the price rise, what has happened here, what is happening here. And one more good thing is, the Centurytex has already crossed its 20-day moving average, and it started going up. You see the thing, and there is some consolidation for a little bit of time, but again after that again it started going up, which is a very good thing. And the super trend is already formed, You can see the green color super trend here, and it is making it is continuing, it's still extending. So all these indicators tell us that Centurytex is a stock which we can invest for our long term strategy. Actually, we need this kind of stock which continuously make new highs, and has to be consistent in the price rise, and which don't there won't be so many consolidations without so many consolidations. Century Tex at this moment fits this particular bill, and so what I suggest, what I recommend right now after going through the technical the indicator guiding points is this, that Centurytex is a stock which you can invest for your long term to do your long term investment, and that's it. That is the analysis. That is the that's what Centurytex is. We I would like to give thumbs up for the Centurytex for long term investment. So this is the analysis. Okay, guys. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.